Hello and welcome to this week's AMA video. So the first one then is about my booking system. I use a system called Calendly. I'll show it you from the front end and from the back end very quickly. I might do a more detailed kind of thing about this, but it's just to give you a quick look. So on the Build It Brilliant website, if you want to book a discovery call with me, when you click this particular button here, it goes through to my Calendly. And then in here it tells you a little bit about the call, and it tells you the dates that you can book. You can go through the months, and those are the dates that you can book, and then if you click on them you can literally just book a time and put in your details. And also when you click on a time and confirm, I won't do it, it then gives you, you can set up a bunch of questions in the background so people can ask you some questions before they book in your calendar. Calendly is linked to my Google account, so it checks with Google. So long as there is free space in my Google Calendar, then it comes up with these options. If I'm booked up in Google and there's no space, then it won't show that option. So I'll show you the back end very quickly. This is the back end of my Calendly. Let me just move my head. So it's this discovery call that you were just looking at on my front page. So you can say what it is, you can say how long the meeting's going to be, you can give it a date range if you want, but mine's just an ongoing one. And here I've set certain times, and you can just literally click on those and edit them, so you can add different availabilities to different days if you want to. If you left it completely like 9 till 5, it'd book it in at any time in the calendar so long as it was available in your calendar. Invitee questions. So in here I have 8 questions. So when they click that confirm button, this is what it comes up with. So I asked them a bunch of questions beforehand. Now I pay for Calendly the smallest amount per month, whichever package that is, and what that allows me to do is it allows me to give notifications, so I can personalize the calendar invites and do an email reminder, so they get an email reminder from me, and I can personalize those, so then they've got the details, they've got joining instructions, and I can put in the Zoom link for them to join me, and they get that 24 hours before. They also get a confirmation page, which I've just used the direct one. So yeah, and then all you do is this link at the front, so copy link, and that's the link that I put to that button so that then people can book. So that's Calendly. I like it. I haven't had any issues with it. I like the fact that it automatically updates to my Google, so that then I don't have to update 2 different calendars. So yeah, I hope that's helpful.